arrest these hoodlums, these native doctors, Awka, Alusi, and all of them.
On boss. Oh, Kasala don boss. This pastor, they talk say, make government come arrest some of these native doctors. Will be my mouth when I go hear them. Aye. Oh, in the call EFCC say, see, you get reason we make EFCC never arrest these people. Yeah, I no go talk with my mouth, make una hear. This Nigeria don't boss, so especially Igbo land. I don't understand what thing they happen again. But make we first watch the video. Make we see as they be. This one off me. As I see the man they serious. Say, see. Now he make police never come arrest this person. Now he make EFCC never come arrest this person. But we not go here as the pastor take talker or the reverend as he take talker. Make we go see the video first. Go come back. Oh,
we not arrest these hoodlums, these native doctors, Awka, Alusi, and all of them. One is that Igbo people are hated. The Nigerian government, I'm speaking it in English for them to hear, both the law enforcement agents, both the EFCC, both those who are, fighting financial crimes. They see all the abuse that is going on. They don't want, because they want you to use your hand to destroy yourself. That is number one. Number two, you cannot poison yourself and expect your enemies to come and rescue you. We are destroying our land by ourselves, by clapping for these charlatans. Don't judge me or accuse me of judging others. The destruction they are doing and are proud of it is so great that if you have mouth, rise up and take your garment of witnessing and witness to the truth. Now the reason why you don't expect the government to come is that some of them are directly benefiting from the evil. And I get my the fourth reason is this. If you do not sweep your house, you expect those who don't love you, who are at loggerhead with you, who are seeing you as a threat, to come and sweep your house for you. Ndi Ugwu, Ndi Ofe Mmanụ, Ndi Yoruba, Ndi Hausa, all these people who are as threats. They see our natural grace of prosperity as a threat. So anything they can do to weaken, both with the police and the wolf, police and the economics, police and the civil service, police and the army, and civil defense, air force, the Navy is to make sure na suffocate it. So how is it no Jack when they destroy your own? I'm born on Kitty. And this is usually. They buy Zuzu Akarigo. Look at it. Zuzu. Zuzu and then we how to describe. Zuzu and then we to say describe. And the level of ignorance and weakness of mind and everything in our youth, I just weep for this generation. Also begin to give you money. You are demented. You are demented. And that weakness of mind is the reason why many of our youth continue to die, and the death is the futuristic one is greater than the one that is already happening. And the prophets are required to prophesy in the name of God, and they represent the truth. I rest my case.